where these be at when they say they doing all this and all that. Tired of beefing you balls, you can't even pay me enough to react.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm coming to you guys fresh-faced, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my self-care / pamper routine. And yeah, I just do this, because I feel like, especially with these times and everything happening, it's important to, incorporate like self-care in your routine, or have a day or like half a day where you just do things for yourself. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we get into the video though, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned and watch those right after this video. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get right into this video. So guys, I'm gonna start off by doing my face mask, and to do so, it's a coffee face mask. I think you guys have seen it before, but these are the ingredients that I'll need. I usually just take like a little, no, this is not a teaspoon. This is a coffee, well, actually I don't know, I think it is a teaspoon. I'm really bad with measurements, but basically that's what I'm gonna take. And then I put a little bit of oil. As you can see, I didn't use all that olive oil. And then I put a little bit of water, of course, too. I added just a little more because I felt like it wasn't enough. And then you go ahead and just mix all of that up until you get like a consistency that you desire, until everything is mixed up and there's no like powder left. And then once you're done mixing it, you're going to let it sit for a little bit before using it, which usually is when I go ahead and wash my face. But these are basically the ingredients that I use for this coffee mask. I like making my own homemade face mask, and this day I wanted to do an exfoliating face mask because I haven't done a face mask in a while and my skin just really needed it. So that's basically what I did, and I just left it on. You can leave it on for like 20 minutes or so, and just take it off afterwards. Okay, so you guys just saw me make my mask because I haven't done one in a while, and you guys kind of see my skin. It's been suffering a little bit because yeah, I haven't really like paid too much attention to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that coffee mask on first, but before, I'm going to wash my face with this Vino. It's basically a cleanser and I really love it. I'm not gonna go too much in detail because this isn't a skincare routine. It's just like me doing my mask because masks are relaxing to me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start by cleansing my face with this. Okay, so I'm done washing my face, and I did let like the coffee mask like kind of sit a little bit. So this is basically what it looks like now. It's like basically like now it's not as runny as it was before. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my skin. I don't know why I brought my spoon in the bathroom with me, but it's okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna use my hands, and I'm not gonna dry my face that much because it actually goes on way easier when my face is kind of wet a little bit. So I'm just gonna use my hands because it's easier to put on, and take a little bit and just put that all over my face. Okay, so for the next part of my pamper routine, I'm actually going to go ahead and do my feet and just like, you know, dip them and just kind of relax. So my mom had bought this like little thing. It's from Conair, and basically you can put water in here and it kind of vibrates, and yeah, you put your feet and whatever, and you can just do your feet. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rinse it out a little bit and then add some hot water because I like my water to be hot, and I'm gonna be dipping my feet for about like 15 minutes. So I want like the water to be hot the whole time. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do. And I'm also going to go ahead and add this little salt in there. This smells amazing, and I don't know, it just gives you like a spa kind of vibe. So I'm gonna do that. I need to go heat up water because for some reason we're out of hot water. So I'm gonna heat up water, put it in here, and then yeah, basically put this salt in there and dip my feet in it. I did want to mention this little device does have a on button, which is what you just saw me press on, and that's basically what starts the vibration. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my feet in, and this water was kind of like really hot because like I told you guys, I had to heat it up. So yeah, just be careful and, you know, take your time. But you know, while I dip my feet in this water, I basically just take my time to do things that I like. On this particular day, me and my sister were watching a show, Lock and Key, on Netflix, and I don't know, we've just been binge watching the show. And yeah, I usually just watch shows or just scroll on my phone, just do something relaxing, you know. You can also draw, whatever you want to do. And I just use this time to kind of just relax, do me, and just do something that doesn't require too much. And then of course I go ahead and groom, you know, my nails and just clip them if I need to and stuff like that, you know. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is basically my self-care / pamper day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give this video a like. And of course, don't forget to comment down below what other videos you would like to see, and share this with whoever you think it might help. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. She be mine, mine on level. She be mine, mine on level.